Chang here, and welcome to my channel. This is a skill building video series where we basically pick a specific skill and practice on it so that the next time we see it, we can solve it with ease. Let's begin. Today we're going to focus on converting finite decimals to fractions. Now, in order to do so, we actually have to remember one simple thing, that after the decimal point, every number after it has its own decimal place. So the first number is the 10th, the second number is the 100th, then the 1000th, then 10,000ths, and so on and so forth. Now here I'm going to list every single step on how you can actually convert the finite decimal to fraction. Now, and it's based on that. First, you're going to count the total number of decimal places after the decimal point. Simple as that. Second, that total number of decimal place, what you're going to do is you're going to put 1, then whichever. You have 10th, 100th, 1000th, so it's going to be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on and so forth. That is your new denominator. Well, the original number, minusing the decimal point, so you're taking that away, that's going to be your numerator. So your fraction, after you convert it, is the new numerator, where it's the original number, you take the decimal point away, and the bottom is the denominator, which you have the 1 and the number of zeros for 10th, 100,000, so on and so forth, depending on the problem. Well, let's practice. So for this problem, 0.6. Now before I begin, I'm going to write something that's going to be a little odd. I'm going to put 1, 0, and just put a bunch of 0 afterwards. And I'm going to show you why in a bit. Now, 0.6, here's our decimal, and then we have one number after 6. Well, in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use this. Here's one number after 6, so it's only one number, so this is what we're going to be focusing on for this problem, right here. So hopefully you guys can see this, right? That's going to be our denominator. Well, our original number is this right here. Taking away the decimal point is just 6. So the conversion from 0.6 to a fraction is this right here. For this problem, 0.75. Notice that I kept this right here because I want you guys to see what I'm going to do with it. We have 0.75, the decimal is right here, and we have 1, 2, two numbers. So we have our 1 and then two numbers after the decimal. We're going to go from here, 1, 1, 2. So this right here. This is what we're going to be focusing on. This is going to be our new denominator. So in this case, it's going to be 1, 0, 0. All right, our new denominator. And our original number is going to be on top, minusing the decimal point. So here in this case, we have 75. This is our fraction after we convert the decimal. Now let's do another one. This one's slightly different. Notice the front number is not a 0, it's actually a 1. But it doesn't matter, the rule's still the same. We look at the decimal, there's 1, 2, two numbers after it. So we're going to have 1, 1, 2. There we go. So our new denominator is going to be this guy right here. That's 1, 0, 0, so it's 100 at the bottom. And our numerator is the entire number taking away the decimal. So in this case, 175. So this is our fraction after we convert the decimal. So for the remainder of the video, I'm going to go over several more problems, but I'm going to limit my explanation. Hopefully you guys can follow along. Thank you for watching this video, converting finite decimals to fractions. See you in the next video.